Hello, this is Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2019 Forest River Georgetown 36B5. Class A Motorhome, gas on the Ford V10. Awning toppers over your Slideouts. This coach has bunk beds, 3 Slideouts. Outside entertainment area, pass-through storage with slam latch compartments. One unique feature is it has 2 full bathrooms, each with a separate hot water heater. Rear ladder with backup and side cameras. 5,000 pound tow hitch. 50 amp service. Nice large pass-through storage, well lit. Water filtration. Your outside shower and sewer area. 5500 awning gas generator. .22.5-inch wheels. LED lights in the power awning. 3 entry steps, linoleum throughout. We're looking at the Sandcastle Decor. Solid surface countertops with the countertop extension. Flush mount sink and range. Convection microwave oven. You have the manual bunk over the cab. Both chairs do rotate around to the living area. Auto leveling jacks. Nice extension work area. Plenty of cup holders. Four-door residential size refrigerator. Each bunk bed has its own TV. First bathroom. It's got the corner shower with nice storage. King size bed. Tons of wardrobe space. You get 5 televisions in this model. Your rear full bathroom is also prepped for a washer dryer. Solid doors separating the bedroom from the rest of the coach. This brand new 2019 Forest River Georgetown 36B5 is located in Yorktown, Virginia. Please give me, Scott Hudgins, a call today. Set up a time to come see it in person. Thank you. Have a nice day.